Hello guys, welcome back once again. So if today is your first time of visiting our channel, hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are looking at this equation. We have x is x squared minus y is put in 2 is equal to 49. We are to solve for the value of x and y, and x and y are all greater than 0. So let's start solving this. And please don't forget, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky questions together. So this we can express it as x minus y, x plus y equal to 49. And let's look for the factors. So factors of 49, we can get 7 times 7, which is 49. Can get 49 times 1, which is also 49. And then 1 times 49, which is also 49. So in this equation, we are going to get case 1 as x minus y is equal to 7 as our equation 1. Then x plus y is equal to 7 as equation 2. Okay, so looking at this, we can say that equation 1 plus equation 2, okay, which is this and this will give us 2x, then negative y plus y is 0, so which is equal to 7 plus 7, which is 14. So to solve for x, we divide both sides by 2, so we say that x is equal to 7. Okay, so we have to look for the value of y. So from equation 2, then that's 7 plus y is equal to 7. Okay, so this and this, so y is equal to 7 minus 7. So our y is equal to 0. So we get x, y is equal to 7, 0. So these two, we have x minus y is equal to 1 as our equation 3. Then we have x plus y is equal to 49 as our equation 4. So from here, you say that equation 3 plus equation 4, we have 2x is equal to 50 because 1 plus 49. So we divide both sides by 2 in order to make s the subject. So we said our s is equal to 25. Okay. So from here, see that equation 3, you are going to get from equation 3, we have x minus y is equal to 1. Okay. And x is 25 minus y is equal to 1. So we get 25 minus 1 is equal to y. So our y is equal to 24. Okay, so we have x, y is equal to 25, 24. Okay, and then the first solution to we had x, y is equal to 7, 0. So this is our final answer for the equation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.